Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Alan. Today, we're kicking off a brand new tutorial, Nomad Cyberpunk Samurai. We start with nothing but a sphere, dripping with raw power, and transform it into a cyberpunk demon samurai style bust, packed with Japanese aesthetics, pure rage, and killer style. Unlike the beginner course, this one doesn't cover basic software operations. We're working at full speed, right from the very first sphere. So if you're completely new, heads up. This one might not be the best starting point. Now for the course details. Total 9 hours runtime. Full breakdown of every sculpting step, including why I pick certain brushes, and why I use specific sculpting techniques. Complete sculpting workflow, from rough to final detail, from head sculpting to badass hair, from composition, coloring, to final rendering. No final concept art. No problem. This entire sculpt was built on the fly in real time. I gathered inspiration from multiple reference images, so this sculpt wasn't planned out in advance, and you get to see the entire process, with constant experimentation and adjustments. By watching this course, you'll see how to push a design from rough to masterpiece, how to start from low poly and push to millions of faces, how to control your mesh so your system doesn't explode, when to subdivide, when to retopology, I've got you covered, how to manage repetitive elements like a sculpting assassin, unlock the true power of optimization, never let high poly counts slow you down, learn smart subdivision techniques, and throughout the process, you'll see how I blend details and colors seamlessly using layers, how I handle base shapes, and how I manage repetitive elements by mixing different techniques to efficiently populate large areas. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid grasp on complex sculpting workflows. You'll understand how to optimize poly count, make your system handle bigger projects smoothly, without lags or performance drops. No more crashes or random freezes. This course is your secret weapon. Even if you're not sculpting complex projects, this workflow knowledge will boost your skills. When you go back to simpler projects, your skills will skyrocket.